It is really a pleasure that you are here as the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation to join you in this university as you launch the Center for Quantum Computing and Technology. And I've heard, and still looking forward, that it's a state-of-the-art center that you are opening today. To us as the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation, this is a huge step forward, not only for you as UKZN, as it has been mentioned, but for all the institutions of higher learning, for everyone in the science sector when we talk of science in this country, for the country as a whole, whether a person is in science or not, but this we are all going to be benefiting, but also for the continent as a whole. Really, we are really putting us on the map. In this regard, let me start by congratulating you, then University of UKZN, and the team of researchers and technology development specialists that you are here today, that we are celebrating like this today. Congratulations. I am excited that the university has set itself up to launch the center. As I've said, it's not only for you, but you said this project, you want to develop a wide range of quantum technology. In Zulu, I'm happy because there is Dr. Gina here, because I'm going to say some of these terms in our own language is Zulu. I'm happy even, was it your program director who was saying, nizosithatha namhlanje as the university nithina. Ake singene kule lizwe esingalazi kodwa singene ngeqolo, singene ngesibindi. You are taking us boldly into the world of unknown. And you are saying, as a country, we are ready for that. And you are the torchbearers as the institution to lead us to that unknown land. And here we are today. We are celebrating those bold steps that you have taken. And we can assure you, sizongena ngeqolo, sizongena ngesibindi kulelo zwe esingalazi. Thank you very much again for that. Various policy reviews of South Africa's national system of innovation have highlighted several key policy challenges that need to be addressed as we want to place science, technology, and innovation at the center of education, government, industry, and society. And let me remind you, we've adopted that as the mantra, as our mantra, as the department, where we are saying we want to put science at the center of everything that we do. We put science at the center of education, science at the center of government, center of industry, and center of society. Firstly, it is now vital that the important and wonderful work being done is taken outside the walls of universities and research institutions. Starting in 2026, a National Science Month as a national observance will replace the National Science Week. Right now, as the department, we have what we call the Science Nation Week. We said that is not enough if we really want to live to our mantra. We're expanding it to a science month now, and we're looking forward to getting a sense of what the center will be that you are launching today, what we'll do to support, to shine the spotlight of science. We'll extend our invitation even to the center that you are launching today to say, when we talk science, when we want everyone to know what science is, When we say science brings solutions to the challenges that we are faced with as communities, and as a department, we are even saying we want to extend even that month where we always go out and engage with our youngsters, engage with our scientists, with our researchers. We know the critical role that this center is going to be playing even that in making sure that we demystify this weird science where whenever people hear of innovation, hear of science, they think it's not for them, but it's for the elite. But today, launching the center, we're saying science is there to solve our challenges. Science is there to prove and make sure that people understand that it touches our lives every day. And we're looking forward again to be working with you as we continue to do that as the department in partnership with you. Secondly, we need to be more targeted in identifying talent in our communities and exposing them to critical new fields like quantum computing. A good example in this case is what was done by the astronomy community more than 20 years ago when astronomy was prioritized. Through programs like the SKA, HCD program, as well as the National Astronomy and Astronomy Support Program, young people, particularly from the disadvantaged communities, were able to see opportunities for being at the forefront of global science. Again, when we talk astronomy, 20 years ago, that wasn't the topic that was so much appealing or known to so many people. But as South Africans, we took that bold step. We partnered with so many other countries, with so many companies. We said, we are going to be coming up and prioritizing that sector, that area of astronomy. Today, we proud ourselves as a country of SKA. So much that is beneficial to the country. When it comes to astro-tourism, it's growing. Go to the Northern Cape. It was through the bold steps to make sure that we prioritize that. Even now, today, we are witnessing that. When it comes to quantum computing,